Hey, I'm Clint DeBoer with Pro Tour Reviews, and we are here at Husqvarna Construction, and we're talking with Lloyd. And we're going to go over this new PACE system, which released in August. It's a new battery-powered system for running any manner of tools to the K1 system's power cutters. And man, 94 volts.
Yeah.
This is a whole new type of battery
platform.
system.
Yeah. We got a lot more tools coming out for these, but launched with our K1 system. That is our power cutter. So
Okay.
we have two sizes of battery. We have a 4 amp hour, 8 amp hour, gives you about almost 370 watt hours of energy. And this one's almost 750 watt hours of energy. Now we'll talk about
Yeah, tell me about the saw.
really designed to be optimized for for this battery system. So the weight balance is one thing, really comparable weight-wise. With the smaller battery, it's about the same weight as our 750 gas saw.
Yep.
And with the larger battery, it's about the same weight as our 970 gas saw. So very comparable with
That's great.
what guys are used to operating today. Very maneuverable. One of the nicest features about this is the X-Halt. X-Halt basically acts as a blade brake. So when the motor senses a quick change in the blade tip speed, it reacts by stopping the blade to avoid a kickback. So it really does stop in a matter of a fraction of a second.
Oh, so it's
Just
a good,
kinda
yeah.
jerks,
Yep.
and then, so you avoid that kickback.
Obviously, you've got the quick connect on there for your water supply.
Yep, or you can do, comes standard with the wet cut, quick connect, and we have it set up here to demo at the show with the dry cut boot on there, so we can show it with the
Dust collection, get it going.
dust
Yep.
collection system.
That's awesome. Looks like you made the blade change system pretty easy on this as well.
We did design a thinner core blade on this.
Okay.
That allows us to do a smaller flange. We're also running a little bit lower RPMs than our gas saws.
Onboard blade storage. We got a guy in our office that would rave about that. It's a subtle thing like that it really does matter when you're out in the field and you're working. So I like to see that. You can just get to work on it, swap things out as you need to.
We do also have, this is kind of a little hidden feature, is we can run a 1-inch or a 20 millimeter arbor.
Okay.
And so our arbor bushing is actually stored right here because we're using that thinner core.
Yep.
Our gas saws, we have the reversible arbor bushing here because we have that thinner core. We actually have them separate.
And you
It's
can pop
stored
it
right here
right out.
on there. So you just unscrew that screw, and if you want to run a 20 millimeter, you just swap them out.
Very cool.
So,
I like it. I like it. I love the combination of ergonomics and features. I like how narrow of a tool this is. The way you designed it, it's going to be interesting to get in for testing and see how it performs out in the field. But that'll be fun to see. All right, we're looking forward to seeing even more from Husqvarna Construction and seeing some of the other products and checking out that blade technology as well.
Great.